In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is trace height and will not be counted into a number of stitches. The first set. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. There are 3 V shapes on the side. One set is done. The second set. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Keep working for more sets. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. Six sets are done. Skip these 2 small V shapes formed by the snip stitch and chain stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the mark stitch to join this round. The snip stitch services as collection is not counted into a number of stitches. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work one chain stitch first. The chain stitch is trace the height and will not be counted into a number of stitches. The first set, work one single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work one increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, work one single crochet. Once that is done, there are 4 V shapes on the side. The second set, work one single crochet in the next stitch. Next, work one increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, work one single crochet. The second set is done. The third set, work one single crochet. Next, work one increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work one single crochet. We have demonstrated the 3 sets. Please finish the rest of 3 sets by yourself. Work one single crochet, one increase, and one single crochet as one set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work one snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The snip stitch serves as a collection. It's not counted into a number of stitches. Round 4 is done.